In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Zoho Books. This is a very simple process, but it's important to know how to do it properly, especially if you're working on a shared computer or switching between multiple accounts. Signing out helps keep your financial data secure and prevents anyone else from accessing your books after you're done. Let's walk through this step by step together. First, make sure you're logged in to Zoho Books and you're on any page within your account. It doesn't matter whether you're viewing contacts, invoices, or reports. The sign out option is always in the same place, so you don't need to navigate to a special screen. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Zoho Books interface. Here, you'll see a small profile icon. This is usually represented by either your initials, a user avatar, or a small image if you've uploaded one. This icon is your personal menu, where you'll find options related to your account and settings. Move your mouse over to that profile icon and click it. When you click, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu typically includes information about your account, such as your name or organization, and some quick links to profile settings and other account-related options. Among these options, look for the one labeled Sign Out. It's usually located toward the bottom of that drop-down list, and it might stand out slightly, since it's an action that ends your session. Once you've found the Sign Out option, go ahead and click it. As soon as you click, Zoho Books will log you out of your account. You may see the screen briefly refresh or redirect. After a moment, you should be taken to the login page or a confirmation screen indicating that you've been signed out. At this point, your session is closed and your account is secure. This is especially important if you're using a public computer, a shared office device, or even a family computer at home. Getting into the habit of signing out every time you finish working in Zoho Books helps protect sensitive financial information. If you ever find yourself unsure whether you've signed out, just look for that login page. If you see the sign-in form instead of your dashboard, you're safely logged out, and that's all there is